Some piece of breaking news coming in now, and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has courted controversy yet again, and this time he has said that Sena, that is the Indian army, is under the control of the BJP government. He has gone on to say that there has to be that he said that there is a caste division also within the Indian army. The exact words of Rahul Gandhi is, आप अगर देश की 90% आबादी दलित है तो या महादलित है, पिछड़ा है या अति पिछड़ा है, तो 90% समाज के अति पिछड़ा आदिवासी लोग हैं, तो उनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन वहां भी होना चाहिए is the larger message. Maushmi Singh is joining us live. Maushmi, how should this statement of Rahul Gandhi be seen? Okay. But before that, let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said, and then I bring in Maushmi.
सारे के सारे 10% आबादी में से आते हैं. सारा बैंक का धन उनको जाता है, सारी नौकरियां उनको जाती हैं, ब्यूरोक्रेसी में उनको जगह मिलती है. आप जुडिशरी देखिए, वहां भी उनको सब मिलता है. सेना में उनका कंट्रोल है और 90% आपको जो आबादी है वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. अब मेरा कहना है कि अगर हिंदुस्तान के 90% लोगों को हम शामिल नहीं करेंगे, चाहे वो कॉर्पोरेट इंडिया हो, चाहे वो जुडिशरी हो, चाहे वो ब्यूरोक्रेसी हो, अगर हम इनको नहीं शामिल करेंगे तो कैसा हिंदुस्तान बनेगा?
Let me bring in Maushmi Singh. Maushmi, Rahul Gandhi here quoting controversy yet again, speaking essentially in the context of the representation based on the population or the percentage from a particular community. How should this statement be seen?
So really, Maria, on the last day of the campaigning for the first phase, clearly Rahul Gandhi is trying to make an outreach to the extremely backward caste here. And you know, he said this in the parliament. He had restricted himself to the judiciary, but this time round he's made that, crossed that borderline as far as, you know, also talking about the army and the defense forces is concerned. Clearly this is a political bait, you know, because somewhere Rahul Gandhi and the opposition realize that the EBC is a formidable vote bank, and with Rahul Gandhi talking about save the constitution, here yet again he makes a very, very startling claim there, you know, and it's sure to, you know, raise a political storm with a hit back from the BJP.
So Rahul Gandhi setting the stage, many would say, with this EBC outreach just ahead of the crucial first phase of polls.